Hello everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to learn Python using ChatGPT. To use ChatGPT, we need to provide a prompt or information in a clear way to get the AI output. Prompt in ChatGPT is the input or question provided by a user to initiate a conversion or request information. It acts as a starting point for generating a response. The quality and clarity of a prompt directly influence the relevance and accuracy of the AI's output. Prompts are important because they are guide the AI on what the user needs, ensuring concise and useful response. A well-structured prompt minimizes ambiguity and helps avoid incomplete or incorrect answers. For example, explain Python data types with examples. This will provide better result than tell me about the data types. So here ChatGPT gets confused. You are talking about the data types of which language. So it is better if we provide the clear information to the ChatGPT. By refining prompts, user can unlock ChatGPT's full potential, making it a powerful tool for learning, problem solving, and creative tasks. Clear prompts save time, enhance productivity, and make interactions more engaging and effectively. For your reference, some of the prompts are provided over here to get the output from the ChatGPT. So let's go to the ChatGPT and provide some important prompts to get the output. Suppose I want to learn the numeric data type from ChatGPT in Python. So for that, we will provide the information such that explain Python's numeric data types with examples and hit enter. So here you will get the output with proper information and some of the examples also. Here you can see that Python has provided some of the important information regarding the numeric data types and also the examples are provided over here. Next, if you want to learn arithmetic operators in Python, so you may ask explain arithmetic operators with example and hit enter. Here, ChatGPT has provided all the arithmetic operators with the examples. And if you look at the prompt here, we have not specified the programming language, but from the previous prompt, ChatGPT has automatically detected that we are talking about the Python language. So you can understand that each prompt may be relevant to the previous prompt also. So you will get the output accordingly. Same way, you can understand all the different operators using this ChatGPT also. Next, suppose we want to understand what are the strings in Python. So you may ask the same to the ChatGPT. So we may provide the prompt, what are strings in Python and hit enter. So here, so much information is provided by the ChatGPT with regard to the string. Let us again take one more prompt. Suppose we want to understand the basic input and output in Python. So we will provide the information. Explain basic input and output with one example in brief in Python. So here you can see that the ChatGPT has provided the concise information regarding the input and output that we have already discussed. Using the input function, we may get the input from the user, and using the print function, we can get the output on the screen. I hope with these examples you understood how to make use of ChatGPT to learn more about the Python topics. So the next time you are reviewing topics like commands, input or output or operators, try using ChatGPT. Just type your question and let it guide you. Remember, learning is a journey and every question you ask brings you one step closer to mastery. I will see you in the next session with more Python concepts. Until then, make ChatGPT your learning partner and strengthen your skills.